My name is Audra Quintin, and I am the president of the class of 2012. I stand here before all 1,290 graduating seniors to congratulate you on wrapping up a chapter of your life and drafting the next. Today, the day of our commencement, we get a piece of paper, a diploma, which to many of our parents is worth a hefty sum, but to us, a promise to ourselves, a commitment to the contribution to life and the start of a new journey. This piece of paper is the concrete foundation to your future, built by education, love, memories, friendships, and choices. Today, I'm here to tell you what many others may not, and it is that failure will dictate your victories. Life is borrowed time, and if you do not get your feet wet either in mud or crystal clear water, you will never know what you're looking for. Life doesn't let you choose your battles, you decide how hard to fight. And whichever weapon of choice you do choose, be wise. Because although you might not know what is good for you, solve what's best. Despite your challenges and obstacles, you made it, all of you. Very soon, you'll walk the stage and inch yourself closer to the real world. Yes, the one all of our parents talk about. This real world is the one we all fear, which will no longer involve sticky fraternity house floors, spontaneous trips to crayons, endless or useless library hours, and sinful consumptions of fast food. However, no matter how frightening the open-ended opportunities may be, that first breath of fresh air once you exit this building outlines each and every one of you. Where you choose to go from here maps out your future and where you belong. Now parents, after 22 years of child raising, you are officially unemployed. And out of protection, it seems obvious, you might not have told us that although some of our worst days lie ahead, full of self-doubt and possible failures, what we need to learn to do is fall back on everything that we built that diploma and conquer. Giving up is not an option, it is an excuse and an obstacle to your own triumph. To all of the ladies and gentlemen sitting in front of me today, you are no longer boys and girls. You are adults, and you are the dictator of your own universe. So build a galaxy and never look back. When you leave here, do not forget why you came. Congratulations.